Trump has taken over USA and his coronation will be somewhere in the afternoon around 12 p.m. in Washington DC on January 20, 2025. So how will be USA after that? A king taking over the throne or the coronation will be a very important stubbo point of time which will determine how the country is going to move forward. He is going to take it in Mesha Lagna, more probably in Mesha Lagna with the Lagna Lord in 4th house, Jupiter in 2nd house, Ketu Moon in 6th house. His Saturn Venus is pretty strong, which means the reforms what he had taken it out earlier in his previous terms, he is going to take it very seriously, very strongly, and he is going to push. And there's going to be lot of reforms connected with immigration, people coming to USA trying to establish themselves as to work or for further education. With the Sun in the 10th house, he is going to make a lot of changes in the educational system also. How will he be with the people around him? This time he can be little bit sober, may not like to push lot of things like what he did last time, may not be having lot of temper tantrums, but the war games he'll be very strong, he's not going to be very quiet. The Trump may move very slowly, but still the aggressiveness of Trump is not going to go down. So how is US economy going to go? With the Trump administration, with the Saturn and Venus in the 11th house, USA is going to have a growth and the economy is going to boom, but it will be only with the implementation of a very strong immigration policy. Yes, it's going to be a very big undercurrent or a tough time or a slight tension with the Silicon Valley people, where the Silicon Valley leaders always believe that the immigrants will help them to settle their companies. But Trump may not be liking that attitude. So with the Silicon Valley people, there can be light misunderstandings and tensions. But in general, Trump is going to follow or still carry on what he has started with lot of reforms, trying to rejig the USA economy and USA as a country. The golden time of all the people going and landing in USA and making it big is going to come to a close in a very slow and phased out manner. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Trump coronation.